Today I'm going to be replacing the transfer case fluid on this. The first thing I'm going to do is drive the front up on ramps and we'll start draining this fluid too if you want. This is the fluid that I'm going to be putting in it. It will require 1.5 quarts, so I have 2 of these. The transfer case fluid should be replaced every 30,000 miles or 50,000 kilometers. Especially if you're using 4-wheel drive. I'm not sure how many miles are on the current fluid right now because I bought it at around 450, so. Okay, I got the front up on ramps and we get a drain pan here. And we're gonna go underneath and drain the fluid out. It's always a good idea to crack the fill plug free first, just to make sure that you can get it free. So we'll open that one up, and then we'll open that and let the fluid drain out. Alright, once all the fluid's done dripping out, we can put the drain plug back in. I cleaned it off. Okay, I have this funnel here that I'm gonna insert the tube in the hole, and then I'm gonna start pouring the fluid in here until the fluid starts flowing out of the hole there. Alright, once that's back in and filled up, then we can pull up the drain pan there and back it up off the ramps. And just like that, the transfer case fluid is changed. You definitely want to keep up with your fluids if you want to keep your vehicle a long time.